Oh, you are a pretty girl.
She says, Kenai, come here.
Kenai. Come.
She mimics what I say.
Good job.
In the wild, starlings mimic other species of birds. Kenai replicates that by mimicking things that I've said.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
She does kissy sounds. She says, I love you.
What you doing?
Kenai had been kicked out of a nest at the top of a really tall building. We'd sat and watched her for a while to make sure the mom wasn't going to come back. She was very weak. She had sunburn. I wanted to find a rehabber, but I wouldn't have any luck because she's invasive. So it was just up to me. She's a fighter, and she ended up perfectly fine.
Look at you. Come on, pretty bird. There you go. Good job.
We're very close now. She loves to go sit out in the sun with me. Usually she's indoors because there's just too many predators outside. But she gets free roam.
Kenai, come here. Oh, good job.
We watch TV together, listen to music. She does this thing where she pries things open with her beak. She constantly does it on my mouth. It's her way of exploring. She wants to know what everything is.
Everyone's gonna see you being a booger. They've all seen it.
She has watched me feed my fish, and she decided that she was going to try to help.
Is that fishy? Is that a fishy?
I think she sees me as part of the flock. It's nothing I've ever experienced before.
Hey, I just was wondering what you were doing.
She shows her appreciation by being a comfort and a companion. She's changed my life for the better.
I love you.